Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Rosenberg, the author of The Human Magnet Syndrome, the creator of the Codependency Cure. I'm really happy that you stopped by to check out my YouTube channel. You're going to find a lot of videos here that I believe, I hope, will contain the information that you need to know because of what you are going through now. It is my greatest pleasure to take my own lessons, whether derived from my own psychotherapy and my own healing journey, or from my own experiences as a psychotherapist. The idea that I can teach you how to be happier, to resolve trauma, whether it was a long time ago in your childhood or the trauma you have right now, excites me. I, not too long ago, started this YouTube channel just with the idea that I would have a venue to post some of my live seminar training videos. It has evolved into a place where I can share my own experiences, thoughts, information, ideas, and recommendations to a growing community, all of whom wants to solve the problem of these human magnet syndrome-induced relationships. Understand more about narcissism, the toxicity and the harm that narcissists cause, to understand their codependency, or what I call self-love deficit disorder, and to learn about my codependency cure, or otherwise known as my self-love recovery treatment program. There's a lot of information here, and I hope that you find what you're looking for. If I can inspire you to take better care of yourself, to stand up to your greatest fears, to vanquish your pessimism about your loneliness and your shame, if I can somehow impact you through these videos, it will really, really make my day. Learn more about your potential, your birthright to love yourself, your birthright to be respected and cared for, and to be loved in a way that promotes your happiness, not degrades it or chips away at it. You can do this. I know you can. I hope that my videos help you find peace, hope, optimism. I hope they help you develop a sense of awareness that your enemy might be more your self-love deficit disorder, the gaslit self-hate, the shame, the perpetual habit of falling in love with someone who feels perfect in the beginning, who ends up wanting to take you down, hurt you, or even destroy you. But more than anything, I hope that you can find hope and apply some of the lessons and information so that you can finally experience what you've always deserved. Take care and be well. Bye-bye.